long as we know it.
It goes 6, 2, 5, 1.
What song? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Yeah. What key?
He knows.
C.
Good, I can follow you.
Coming right in on the 6.
Kind of like a climb now.
What key we? I play this.
Comes in on the...
South of Saskatoon.
Yes. On the A. Around the horn, okay. Okay, so around the horn. Okay.
So, 1, 2. Just a little bit south of Saskatoon. Take my guitar for boarding room. Met a little girl, her name was June. A little bit south of Saskatoon. Me and Junie Mae, we got on fine. Till I had to move on up the line. Promised that girl I'd be back soon. Just a little bit south of Saskatoon. Ah, Piana. Johnny B. Good. Went up to Nome and saw the side. I had to watch them northern lights. But I kept my mind on my sweet June, just a little bit south of Saskatoon. So I caught a freight and I headed back, traveling down that railroad track. Kept thinking of my honeymoon, just a little bit south of Saskatoon. Birthday boy! Me and Judy Mae, we got a little house. We got a piece of ground and a few milk cows. We're gonna get a youngin' soon, a little bit south of Saskatoon. In the winter time when we can't farm, me and Judy Mae sit arm in arm by a big old fire and honeymoon, just a little bit south of Saskatoon, just a little bit south of Saskatoon.
We'll do it again.
Great.
My buddy.
Everyone's got to come in this way.
Oh, yeah, go that way.
Yeah.
Why, did we have a little problem? Is everything okay?
Yes,
It is. We had a little glitch when you came in this side, folks. Come in that side. I'm starting to lose what I'm doing, so I don't know who to get up next. Paul, do another song. We're going to go a little bit, if that's okay. Okay. I got to give these guys more money now. I want you to know that. Susie, what's up? You and Peter having a good time? Good. Albert, I love you. You let me do all the work tonight. So, all right.
Okay. I'm going to do a sad song.
Good.
Key of G.
Okay.
Straight A's. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me is my mama and my papa. Down the road I look and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home.
John McDuffie, how'd you like that, boys? Then I awake and look around me at the four gray walls that surround me, and then I realize that I was only dreaming. There's the guard and there's the sad old padre, arm in arm we'll walk at daybreak again. I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me in the shade of the old oak tree as they lay me beneath the green, green grass of home. Did Jimmy Olish ever show up? Jimmy, are you out there? No, he never showed up. He called, said he was on his way. Maybe he had a flat.
He'll be here around 9 or 10.
Yeah, he'll be here after the show. So who did I miss? Roy, come on up, quick. Well, I don't know, you don't do anything too quick anymore, but that's all right. Take your time and come on up. How about a hand for Roy? We call him Frog around here in the family. Oh, you're taking the scenic route.
Coming to get us for impersonating musicians.
Hey, Lewis, get ready. I want you to do at least one. Which is all you ever do. Anyway. Thanks for coming, everybody. Hope you had a good time. We're going to be closing it down here in a little bit. There's your amp right over there. I'll tell you, Roy certainly dressed for the part, didn't he? I like the shirt. All the way on the left. This one. Here you go. Switches on, volume down, what you got? Turn it on. Got to pick it perfect.
What you did last time. Matchbox.
Well, that was pretty good last time. All right. You want to play it safe and knock out a good one. That's not a bad way to do it.
Do anything you want, but that's my request.
I like it.
You got it, Paul. Damn. Who put that thing together? Do it like a tall guy did. A really tall guy. Yeah, I ain't got those legs.
How's that?
All right, kick it off.
Hey?
Hey.
Hey.
Matchbox hold my clue.
How about a hand for Roy getting all dressed up, coming up here tonight, hitting us with a little bit of Matchbox. Okay, I'm going to ask if there's anybody out there who wants to come up and do this real quick. Let me know. Lewis, come on up.
Did Bob
I
Gothard,
know we're going over. I'm sorry. Please forgive me, guys.
did Bob Gothard go home or?
Hey, Gary Swan, you want to come back?
Test 1, 2.
Oh, wait, I'll turn it up.
Test 1, 2. Let's go. Yeah. Hey,
That's fun, John.
let's chase each other around the room.
Let's go,
tonight
Keith.
and
Let's do it.
Okay.
Chase each other around the room tonight, Bob.
How about just a 5-1? Okay.
Let's go.
How about a hand for Kurt Fries on piano? And of course, thank you, Deanna, too, for coming up and singing. Did a lot of gigs with these guys. I met Deanna at the Viva Cantina. I walked in one night cold, and in a minute, and Fries was on the, Kurt was on the piano, and there was no guitar player, and I just walked in and said, "Can I play?" She said, "Absolutely." That was the night we met, never met each other. And of course it went awful. I didn't know any of her songs. I was all out of tune, but we loved each other ever since.
Hey, Pete, I bet you wish you'd taken those guitar lessons now, don't you?
All right, go, let's go. Well, let's chase each other around the room tonight. Well, let's play them games we played on our wedding night. To lock and bolt the door, it's only right. Honey, let's chase each other around the room tonight. Play. Well, then let's not chase each other and make each other weary. Let's lock the door and keep our love at home tonight. I made that up. Let's keep everything like jealousy behind us. And let's chase each other around the room tonight. Well, let's chase each other around the room tonight. Let's play them games we played on our wedding night. To lock and bolt the door, it's only right. Let's chase each other around the room tonight. Well, let's chase each other around the room tonight. Let's play the games we played on our wedding night. To lock and bolt the door, it's only right. Well, let's chase each other around the room tonight. Well, let's chase each other around the room tonight. Carmen, happy birthday. I love you.
I love you, Louis. Okay, we're going to do one more and call it a night. Thank you so much. Oh, she's waving. Oh, yeah, 4th of July. Can't forget that. That's coming up this week, right? Hey, you know, something kind of funny. Y'all think about how old you are. Take your age and then see where you lie in the scale of 250 years. What percentage of that have you been an American? Have we been part of America? I've been almost a third of the 250 years I lived it. At 82, you know. Phil, you're a little older than I am. You probably hit the full third mark, I'm sure. But, you know, I was looking at the other day, 250 years since this country got going, and I've been here like a third of it. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. You know, let's spend a little time in the old town. That's the way I look at it. All right, we're going to close it out. Paul, take us home.
You want to sing one?
Ah, nah. That's all right.
Let's do,
Take it by the tail.
That's too difficult.
key of G.
Is that your mic or the other? Oh, your
I don't know. I like them
mic,
both.
I turned it up. For Lewis.
I like them both.
Yeah, go ahead.
I like them both.
That's all right. Turn it up.
Well, I was born in the Southland. 20-some-odd years ago. Ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida. I pick cotton in Alabama. I pick walnuts up in Oregon. I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man.
Ricky Z, come on up.
My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, in Cincinnati, I got a woman in San Antonio. I always loved the girl next door, but any place is home. I'm a freeborn man. And my home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. All right. I got this worn out bass guitar carrying an old toe sack. Pawned it about 100 times, but I always get it back. I'm a freeborn man. And my home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. but you'll love the way I'm gone. I'm a freeborn man. And my home is on my back. Well, I know it's a highway. Every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I think we need to hear the guitar one more time before we say goodnight. You may not like my song. You may not like the way I talk, but you'll love the way I'm gone. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track.
Hey, thanks for coming. Thanks.
Happy
for
birthday to Carmine.
Oh,
Happy
thank you,
birthday.
Paul. Okay.
Let's sing happy birthday to Carmine on the key of D for
All
Deanna.
right, do it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carmine. Happy